In this video, I will show you how to use Shopify to integrate Webflow with your store step by step. So first, make sure you have both your Webflow website and your Shopify store open in the same browser. Once you have both platforms ready, go to your browser, search for Zapier. This tool allows you to connect different platforms together so you can automate actions between Webflow and Shopify without doing everything manually. After opening Zapier, go ahead and sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see an option to create a new automation, which is called a Zap. So, click on Create Zap, and now you'll start by setting up a trigger. The trigger is basically the event that starts the automation. Here, select Webflow as your trigger app, and then choose an event, for example, when a new order is placed on your Webflow site. Once selected, click Continue and connect your Webflow account if it's not already connected. Now, after setting the trigger, the next step is to define the action, which is what will happen automatically in Shopify. So for the Action app, search for and select Shopify. Once you select Shopify, you'll be able to choose different actions, such as updating a product, creating a blog entry, finding a product by title, or even creating a new customer. For example, you can set it so that whenever a new order is placed on Webflow, a new customer is automatically created in Shopify. This helps you keep both platforms synced without manual work. After choosing your action, you'll need to connect your Shopify account. If you haven't connected it before, just click on Connect New Account and log in to your Shopify store. Once connected, click Continue. Once everything is set up, review your Zap and turn it on. Now your automation is active, which means whenever the trigger happens on Webflow, the selected action will automatically run on Shopify. This saves time and helps you manage your store more efficiently without repeating tasks manually. So that's how you can easily integrate Webflow with Shopify using Zapier and automate your workflow. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel